So this equation wants us to graph the line 2x minus 5y is equal to 15. And we know that there are two ways to graph lines. We can either try and find the intercepts, or we can put them into y equals mx plus b form. Personally, I like using y equals mx plus b. I think that's an easier way to go. So I'm going to do that. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the 2x from both sides, and I get negative 5y is negative at 2x plus 15. Notice, by the way, that I don't write this as 15 minus 2x, but I write it as negative 2x plus 15 so that the x comes before the b. And then the next thing I need to do to get y by itself is I need to divide every piece of this by 5. Now notice, actually, we're dividing by a negative 5, which means that all of our signs are going to switch. So we've got y is equal to 2/5 x minus 3. So what we have here at this point is that m is 2/5 and b is 0, negative 3. So if we want to graph this, and I'm just going to roughly sketch this graph, we have our y-intercept, which is 0, negative 3, and I'm going to plot that here. And my slope is 2/5. Well, what does slope 2/5 means? It means we're going to move up 2, and it means we're going to move 5 to the right because it's a positive slope. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is the rough graph of my line. Now, you have to pay close attention. Sometimes problems want you to graph actually using the intercepts. So when you're working on MLP, you have to be very careful to read what the question wants, because if it wants you to graph using the intercepts, this would not be the correct answer, and it would mark this problem wrong, even though the graph of the line is exactly the same.